After purchasing, you will receive a zip file. First, we unzip that file. It is here. Open it and open. Here we can see there is a one PowerPoint presentation file, two text file which contains the code, one PNG image file, and two Excel sheet. One is blank and one is customized as per my requirement. Okay, first open the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, in this PowerPoint presentation I have two slides, 1 and 2, and this is called block or card. You can say this is one card, one card, one card, one card. That is the one column. That is one card, or you can say it is block. And in slide 2 you see 1 2 3 4 5 card already done for you. So first this is the Excel sheet which I fill with my custom data as per my requirement. I will show you. This is the value. This value takes from this Excel sheet. I will teach you. This is my Excel sheet. I also provide you a blank sheet which you fill with your requirement, but you have to fill as this column, corresponding column. Number 1 column, that is the serial number. Serial number means number, block number 1, block number 2, or card number 2. That is the block number 1. That is block number 2. So I will show you. Block number 1, that is Penta 1 in B column. In my Excel sheet under column B, I put 1 in. That is here in C picture, Penta 1 in column B, 1 in. You put anything here, 1 in, and it will display here. Similarly, column C value, that is. So if you put 500 instead of 100, then that will show in block 1, here it will be 500. That is text column D, probability. That is the text column D and probability. This is text cow. This is text cow under column E. And that is note. Here animals are living. This is a note. You can fill this column, note. I fill with the same notes. In your case it will be different, definitely. And if you check, the sequence is column B, column C, column D, column E, column F. F is notes, and column G. Column G is image URL. That is column G, that is image URL. And for this I am using here online URL. I am using here online URL. You can use it, but it's work well in 2019 versions of PowerPoint. 2013 it's not working. or you can local URL. So keep your file in your desktop, as I show you. Keep your file, that is image folder. I also keep my file here, and put the address, that is C user Aditri desktop image backslash and this IA 1000 10001.svg in that, in here. I using online URL, you can use local URL. So the image is already downloaded in your computer. Just so here, this is the image I already downloaded in my computer and in my image folder. So basically this is the URL address. It may be online URL address. Just I copy it and paste it in my for icon. I use flat icon. So how can you do this? That means cat. I am using cat. So browse cat. Yeah, you can download here this picture PNG file, but you see, for better, you downloaded the 512 pixels. Free download. Downloaded and place in your some folder, and that's a cat. I have cat, no cat. So how can you add the audio? I'll show you. So in generally you have to insert audio in second slide. Okay, so select the second slide and you are on second slide. Go to insert button, then it is here audio on my PC. So browse your audio, local disk, desktop, select the audio, insert, and it will insert it in the middle. Drag this audio to left side. Now there is some settings. Go to volume, do medium, in start sequence automatically, play across slides, loop until stop, and hide during show. And you can do it fade in or fade out as per your requirement. And lastly, you click in play in background button. Now it's ready. Now it's ready. Yes, it's done. Now your PowerPoint presentations file is ready, but I strongly recommend you don't render, save it from here in MP4. Export, create a video, and don't do this because it takes too more time rendering, and there is a jerky effect also, which I say in my PDF. Follow the PDF. I strongly recommend you to use any screen recorder. It may be Camtasia or OBS Studio. My recommendation is OBS Studio. The main time taken part is to collect the data and prepare the Excel sheet. So as fast as you prepare your Excel sheet, you will generate your video in just a matter of time. Upload as many as video you can to make your channel grow fast. You don't have to pay every time to generate the videos. So save money all time. Thanks for purchasing and wishing you to grow your YouTube channel fast. Thanks.